Hi everybody, this is Kurt Hollowell with another tutorial on our audio visualizer tool. In this tutorial we're going to be covering how the tool works with the uAudio plugin, which can also be found on the Asset Store. First thing you need to do is obviously import both plugins. Download and import the uAudio plugin and the audio visualizer plugin. Once you have them both imported, go through the scenes in each one and make sure you have a basic understanding of how each tool works. This tutorial is going to expect that you have a little bit of knowledge of how to use each tool. So let's get into it. I'm going to go into one of the uAudio demo scenes here. Under plugins, uAudio scenes, I'm going to choose the MP3 player scene. And basically what this MP3 player scene does is play some music off your local storage system. If you just downloaded this uAudio tool for the first time, you'll notice in their README it tells you that you have to copy the demo song into that C music Beethoven. So you can see here, this is where this is the path to the song that this MP3 player is playing, so you have to make sure that this song is actually in that path. So once you have that all set up and you can play the music here, then let's go ahead and add some visuals to the scene as well. So what I'm going to do is copy some of the components from this scene, the canvas and this uAudio MP3 object. I'm going to copy those and go into one of the audio visualizer scenes. You should be able to pick pretty much any of these scenes and set it up to work. I'm just going to go into this audio panel scene. So real quick, in this audio panel scene, you hit play, and basically this is a canvas system that's displaying an audio waveform. And then this is what I would call a circular waveform. So let's get that to work with the uAudio music. So we're going to paste those components in. So we can see a little more, I'm going to get rid of this log object. So we'll just have our MP3 player, and then we have this canvas in here as well. So the way all the audio visualizer components work is off this audio sampler. This audio sampler object can have a bunch of audio sources, and it samples those audio sources, and that's how we can do all of our things like beat detection and create visual effects out of them. So what I'm going to do is remove this first audio source that's attached to it that was playing a different song than the one that we want. And then under the uAudio object, it has now a uAudio player. This uAudio player has an audio source that it streams the music through. So what we want to do is sample the audio on this audio source. So in our audio sampler, we're just going to drag the uAudio player into the audio sources. And now when we hit play, all of the audio visualizer effects are now listening on the audio source that's hooked up through the uAudio audio source. So if we hit play now, you can see the effects are reacting to this Beethoven song. And we may want to do some things to fine-tune the effects to this song, like adjust the sensitivity, for example. So I'm going to go under this canvas panel. This panel has a panel waveform script on it. That's what's making these bars go up and down. And I'm just going to adjust the sensitivity on this a little bit, make it a little more sensitive to the music. And there you go, we get something that is desirable. So that's it. You notice we'll have to hook up this volume slider too. That was referencing a different audio source before. So if you want to hook that up, we can do it. Let's just hit play here. This slider, on value change, what I'm going to do is pull in this audio source and adjust the volume. So now the volume on the uAudio audio source is going to be adjusted with this slider here. So we go and hit play again. Last time I adjusted the sensitivity outside of playing mode. Let's just bring that up to about 5 or something. There you go. All right. So we've got the effects we want, and now it reacts to volume as well. Alright, that does it for this tutorial. If you have any more questions, you can always reach us on our website, which is www.dogeatdoggames.com. Under support, you can send us an email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And then if you make anything with our tools, you can always share it with us on Facebook or Twitter, facebook.com/dogeatdoggames or twitter.com/dogeatdoggames. Yeah, here we are. All right, have a good one, and go make some awesome stuff.